Alright, you get to see my face for this one, guys. Yay! Okay, so we learned about the volume of a cylinder, which is like a soda can. We learned about the volume of a cone, which is a cone. Today we're going to learn about the volume of a sphere. So a sphere is a round ball. So, let me draw my... It's a terrible drawing, but you get the idea. Okay, so here is my sphere. Now, I'm going to link a video for why this formula works, but this is also the formula for the volume of a sphere. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so no height, cubed. I had somewhere I was going with that, and I lost it. That's okay. So, again, I'm going to link a video as to why this is the formula. It's a really cool video if you want to really understand sphere, but this is all you really have to know. So, again, you don't have to memorize these formulas. You can write them down, and you can use them on your test. Because again, everyone can look these up online, so it's not like you have to sit there and memorize it. It's okay. So we're going to go over a few examples right now on this video, and then you're going to do the assignment and submit that. So all you have to know is the radius. So let's say there is a sphere with a diameter of 8. I don't want the diameter. Remember, the diameter, I'm going to use a different color. The diameter cuts the circle straight in half. So diameter is from top all the way to the bottom. I don't want the diameter. I want the radius. So I want half of this. So since R kind of looks like half of D, I want half of 8. So half of 8 would be 4. So if you're using a computer, you can open a new tab. I'm going to give you the decimal for 4 divided by 3. So 4 divided by 3 gives us 1.33333333333. So you're just going to give me the best rounded number you can. Or, nope, I have a better idea. Okay, just keep watching. So you could have 1.3 repeated. I'm going to do it a different way so it's not as confusing. You don't have to worry about repeated decimals and writing those out to get the most appropriate answer. So now we're going to plug this into this formula. So with cones, remember I told you that you can divide everything by 3 at the end. We're going to do that with spheres. So we're going to divide everything by 3 at the end. We're going to multiply everything by 4 on the top. Pi is 3.14. My radius is 4, and that's cubed. So 4 times 4 times 4, not 4 times 3. So now in my handy dandy calculator, I have, and if you have one of the calculators that we use in class, you would do the caret and 3, and you can do the fraction in front. Lots of different ways you can get this answer. This is how I'm going to be doing it because I don't have a fancy calculator that I want to pull out right now. So we have 4 times 3.14 times 4 times 4 times 4. You see how I plug that into my calculator? 4 times 4 times 4. So I have 803.84. So now I'm going to divide that by 3. So divide by 3. And this is my answer. 267.95, because it rounds the 94666666666666 rounds the 4 to a 5. If you want to give me the fraction answer, you can, or if you just want to round to the nearest hundredth, you can do that too. That's what I'm going to be doing. So my answer for this is volume equals 267.95 units cubed. Because I didn't say it was inches or feet or anything. So if I don't say anything, it's units. Okay, so that's if I'm given the diameter. If I'm given the radius, so let's say I have a sphere. That's a terrible drawing of a circle. Nope, that's still terrible. Whatever. Okay. I couldn't erase bad stuff. Okay. It's a sphere. So let's say the radius of this sphere is 10. Okay, radius equals 10. Let's say yards. I don't know. It's something big. So the radius of the sphere is 10 yards. I just plug in 10 to this equation. So 4 times 3.14 times 10 cubed divided by 3. So again, I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator. I have 4 times 3.14 times 10 times 10 times 10, and I get 12,560. Now I'm going to divide this by 3. So divide by 3, and I get 4,186.666666666. Again, you can give me the fraction answer, or you can round the decimal, in this case, to the nearest tenth. You can round it to the nearest hundredth. Let's just stick with the hundredths, because I told you that before. So we have volume equals 4,186.6, and for rounding to the nearest hundredth, I look next door. So 666. I look next door. Is that 5 or above? Yes. So it pushes the 6 up. So instead of being a 6, I make that a 7. And since I gave you the measurement, which is yards, you're going to do yard cubed, because we are talking about volume. Yeah? One more. So let's do boop, 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 boop. Okay, so we have a radius. Let's say that's a radius of 1.7. So radius equals 1.7 feet. So again, I just plug this into my equation. So 4 times 3.14 times 1.7 times, or 1.7 cubed, so 1.7 times 1.7 times 1.7. And divide all of that by 3. Handy dandy calculator. So 4 times 3.14 times 1.7 times 1.7 times 1.7, that got me 61.70728. Don't touch it. Divide this by 3. So divide by 3, and that got me 20.569093333333. Gonna round to the nearest hundredth, so 20.569. The 6 is what we want to round, or the place value you want to round to. So look next door. Is the 9 above a 5? Yep, so it gives it a shove. So instead of being a 6, we go forward. So 1 more than 6 is 7. So my answer is 20.57 feet cubed. So there you go. Bye, guys.